We will discuss the detail in our temple where we are staying, because if we speak whole holiday everywhere, then we whole days we can complete, then you can take long, etc. So, understand? So, brief we will discuss here, rest we will discuss in the temple. If you try to realize, understand, you will not get any place superior to this Bodha. Even no Vaikuntha, no Vrindavan, also non-different. Vrindavan, Gaurdham is non-different. But still, Gaurdham is best. Understand? So, Vrindavan is non-different, but still Gaurdham is best. Like Krishna is no doubt, he is Supreme Personality Godhead. Swayam Bhagavan, Swayam Bhagavan, still Mahaprabhu is best. That is true or not?
It's true.
Yeah. That's why no one can come here without Mahaprabhu's blessing. And without the dearest devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. By any other means, no one can enter here. But we are unable to understand this because we don't understand the influence and importance of mercy of Mahaprabhu and his beloved devotee. But anyhow, we got the blessing, so we are here. But we are unable to realize this. We think, oh, how it is possible? Oh, very rare and the best. But we can't understand this. For this, we have to do bhajan. Then, when our anarthas will be destroyed, then we can realize it. Otherwise, we will look, oh, this Mayapur is like normal village area. We have many rivers and many villages we have seen. This is also similar. No. What scenery, what a view we are looking, this is not the real form of Gaurdham. This is a external form. We are looking this is a external form. If you see internal form, you will never desire to leave this place from today. But we have come here after making return ticket. Means already we decided to leave. Nothing, where is your return ticket? Your return ticket.
Where is your return ticket? Return ticket.
You're asking, really? Well, unfortunately, I did get a return ticket, yes.
You didn't get?
Yes, one. Yes,
I got a
yes,
return
one.
ticket.
Yes.
That was my mistake.
Yes. Because we don't understand and we don't realize this. If we see the real beauty, the real form of Gaurdham, you will never desire to return anymore. Does not matter what will happen, I will not return anymore. But we are making return ticket. Why? We just coming to see something here. But not real form, not real beauty, and no proper realization. You cannot find in any scripture there is any transcendental award superior to this. All dhammas, they manufactured, they arrange different pastimes of different laws, including Vrindavan Dham. But still, there was lacking. What Vrindavan could not do, Gaurdham did. What Krishna could not do, Mahaprabhu did. So these things we will discuss from today onward more and more. But just I will give the brief description of this and brief glories of this Panchavani. Panchavani means here 5 rivers met together. Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati, Bhagirathi, Alkananda, Mandakini.
That's 6.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati, Alkananda, Bhagirathi. 5.
Mandakini.
So, Mandakini also, Ganga has almost the same name. Ganga also, Mandakini. Mandakini also, Bhagirathi. Only synonym. Understand? So Ganga coming in different places, taking different names. Really, Mandakini is in celestial planet. And in lower planet is Bhagavati. And Ganga is in the earth planet. But only different name in different places. So 5 rivers here met. That's why it is called Panchavani. Here Brahma performed sacrifice. Anyone who gives up the body here, then directly he will go to Vaikuntha, Golok Vrindavan. Who wants the Vaikuntha, he will go to Vaikuntha. Who wants the Golok Vrindavan, he will go to Golok Vrindavan. According to the reason. But after giving up the body here, no more river. River to get complete. And he will at least go to Vaikuntha. At least. If you want, Golok Vrindavan. So this is the brief story of this Panchavani. Here Mahaprabhu was coming with his associates and taking bath here, doing so many pastimes. We will discuss later on. But if we take more time here, then we have to visit many places. So we cannot complete, then we have to return for lunch. So if any more glories we want to listen, we can discuss in the temple evening time. Just to remember here, this is Panchavani, and this place is very transcendental place. Also looking like similar, like small village area on the bank of river, but really it is not a real form of Bodham or Panchavani. There is obstacle to see the reality. What is the obstacle? Between our eye and real Bodham, real Panchavani, one curtain put by night. Like when there is a stage where a drama is being performed, audience they are looking, and the artists they are performing their dance or art. But suddenly one curtain between the artist and the audience, one curtain came. Then you cannot see anymore there. You cannot see. You will see only the curtain. So we are looking the curtain of the Bodhama. This is like in front of the artist and the audience eye. There is one curtain. Then you cannot see any artist. You will just see the curtain. And curtain has a different design. Different colors, different design, that you can see. But you cannot see any more the artist. Now you see, are you looking to Mahaprabhu? Are you looking to Nityananda? Are you looking to his associate? That till now here. But we are not looking. Adhyapya Seila Pare Gorara. Kono Bhagyavan Dekhivar Pai. Till today, Adhyapya means today. Adhyapya in this place where we are sitting. Adhyapya Seila, that past time, what Mahaprabhu did more than 500 years before. More than 500, now is 500. What Gaurabda?
37.
537?
Yes.
So now is 537. So before 537 or before 536 or 35, what Mahaprabhu did? When Mahaprabhu appeared, then only started. So after Mahaprabhu's appearance, now 537 years passed. Means at least 537 or 36 years, what Mahaprabhu was doing all the pastimes here, till now he is doing. But are you looking? No. Why? Because now I am curtailing there. So Mahaprabhu is doing his drama, he is doing the pastime. But the problem is you are curtailing between Mahaprabhu and ourselves. our eyes. Like if as long as the curtain is open between the audience and the artist, then audience will relish, enjoy the sweetness of the drama, the different arts of the artist. They can relish and enjoy. But if suddenly the curtain will close, then you cannot see any more drama. Similarly, now between our mundane eye and the transcendental pastimes of Mahaprabhu and his associates, which he is doing in this Gaurdham, now one curtain is covering. That's why we are not looking Mahaprabhu, we are not looking Nityananda, we are not looking their associates, we are just looking from trees, river, and ground and dog. So this is curtain in front of us. How this will go? Like how we can see again the drama, just the organizer or who is maintaining the drama, they have to remove the curtain again. Then we can see. Similarly, who is organizer and maintainer of this drama? Jogamaya, Prabhamaya, who will go to see now this drama. Prabhamaya, here is called Jogamaya, is called Prabhamaya, and Shiva is called Dudha Shiva. We will go to see one day. So when Jogamaya will take out the curtain, then we will see real Mahaprabhu who is present. What he is doing. That time you will never desire to leave this person. So then how Jogamaya will take out the curtain? When we will surrender to Guru, Vaishnava, Krishna, Mahaprabhu, Nityananda, and all associations of Mahaprabhu, our Guru Parampara, and pray at their lotus feet to shower their merciful glance. By their mercy only, if they will tell to Jogamaya, oh Jogamaya, my disciples, my followers, they are very offensive and they are very fallen. By their own qualifications, they cannot see this Gautama, they cannot see this transcendental pastimes of Mahaprabhu. So please excuse their offenses, their sinful activities. Otherwise, they will have no chance to see you anymore. So please forgive them. Forgive. When our Guru, Vaishnava Acharyas, our Guru Vargas, or Vaishnavas will pray on behalf of us, then Jogamaya will take out the curtain. Then we can see real beauty of this Gautama. So, how to get the blessing of Jogamaya to take out the curtain? We have to please our Gurudev, Guru Parampara, Vaishnava. So by their pleasure only, the curtain will be opened up, then Jogamaya can let us to see real transcendental pastime of Mahaprabhu, which is till now he is doing. So our Acharya is telling, Adhyapya Saila Kaligora, Kon Bhagyavan Dekhivar. Don't think that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not doing pastime now. He is doing till now. The problem is we are unable to see. But Kon Bhagyavan, who is most fortunate, he is till now looking. So we should become also fortunate. And how to become fortunate? By the blessings of Guru Vaishnava. Then only we can. So we should pray to Guru Vaishnava more and more. By their blessing, then Jogamaya will take out the curtain, Mahaprabhu will bless, then we can see. So from now onward we will start listening about Glorify Mahaprabhu more and more. Now we will stop here, we will proceed to other places, but we will go to ashrama to make sankalpa bhava so that our Navadvip Parikrama will be free from obstacles and more realizable and peaceful and peaceful. बोल श्री पंचावरण की जय, गौर मिठाई की जय, समाज गौरव की जय, जय गौर भक्तगणों की जय, नवदीप धाम की जय, नवदीप परिक्रमा की जय, गौर प्रमाण